All right, so next we're going to be talking about AVEVA Insight tips and tricks, which is another product that I know for a fact Santa uses too, because he likes cloud-based products because he can use them from anywhere, right? So sometimes he delivers toys and he needs to be able to look at his OEE metrics or how his production lines are doing, right? So he can just do it from his phone, really from anywhere in the world. Did you know about industrial graphics in AVEVA Insight? You can actually publish industrial graphics directly from an on-premise application like InTouch or System Platform, or Edge as well, into your Insight solution. This is great because it reduces cost of engineering and increases the value of your existing investment. You have an Insight subscription and on-premise SCADA solutions as well, and pair them up. Additionally, you will reach consistency of user experience across your applications in the cloud or on-premise. So that's the goal of enabling industrial graphics in all these products, is that you can be consistent and use the same graphics across the board. In this video, you will see how you can use these industrial graphics in Insight.
Now in our graphic, we have the ability to add tags using our pre-built symbols, or to use symbols that I've uploaded from my on-premise application, as we did just earlier. For the inbuilt graphics, I simply drag across one of my tags from the data panel, modify it to choose the visual representation that I want, and it's as simple as that. I have some different display options that I can choose as well. For the uploaded graphics, I click on our new toolbox, select the folder where my graphic is, and you'll be able to see thumbnails that appear and show what that graphic looks like. And again, simply drag and drop onto the screen. I click on the symbol and select Properties, and this brings the property editor up on the right-hand side and allows me to set the bindings. In this case, for the value property, I can click and select the tag that I'm interested in. Similarly, for other properties, I can select the tag that I'm interested in, click the three dots to the right of the tag that shows the metadata associated with it as well. So being able to bind things like minimum and maximum values, names and descriptions to use on my page.
So as you can see, once the industrial graphics are linked to the cloud, you can easily access them in the graphic composer environment of your Insight solution.